How to enable DRM on Chrome Mobile. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So DRM means digital rights management. So it's a technology that is used to control the access to use of digital media like movies, music, ebooks, software as well. So let's just go to the Chrome browser on our device, and then all we have to do is tap on the three dotted lines here, then tap on the settings icon. Now scroll down until you find the option of site settings, so tap on it. Then scroll down and you'll be able to find the option of protected content. Tap on protected content. Now you'll be given three options over here, from allowed, ask first, or blocked. Now I would generally prefer you to use ask first, as it will ask you before allowing sites to play the protected content. You can also select allowed if you want to allow sites to play protected content without asking you, and by default. And if you tap on blocked, you will block sites from playing the correct protected content. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today, and see you next time.